Hey guys, it's Liv. Today I'm going to be doing my 2025 Christmas haul. I just want to start off by saying that I'm very grateful for everything that I got this year and for everybody that gave me all of my gifts. Now I'm going to stop yapping. You should follow my social medias and watch the whole video all the way through. And subscribe. I'll get into the video. And I'll show you guys what I got this year. Thank you very much. Hi there. Hey. I'm going to show what my friends have given me first. Starting with my roommates from school. Also, I'm dressed up because I'm about to go out to dinner with some of my other friends and get another gift. So, do you like the fit? I don't have one of the things. So my roommate Ayana got us these little like newspaper prints, like one of the ones that says "and they were roommates" on it with like a photo of us. They all got us matching ones. One of our roommates is transferring. She got us that, but I left it at school. This basket is from my friend Allie with a bunch of like minis in there. So one of them is like the mini tree hut. Hello. The mini tree hut Tropic Glow, which I freaking love this one. It's so summery and it's so cute. She also gave little mini vanilla sugar cookie lotions. Okay, you're not gonna be able to see it. Oh, there you go. And then she gave me Nerds gummy clusters, which this is all that I have left of those. And a bloom, the Christmas bloom drink, which was already consumed. Grace gave us these little water bottles that had gingerbread men on them. EOS little mini lotion. This is the vanilla cashmere scent, which is really good. I have the full. Oh, there's a seal. I'm done. And then she gave us little Lindt chocolates, which have already been consumed. This little lip gloss, little like chain on it, little keychain. It has a little snowflake. I don't know if you can see that. Sugar Rush scented, and it's really good. Thank you, roommates. Love you, miss you. Mwah.
Hey, bye.
Just got back. I already changed, as one does. I have my gift from Adriana, which is this adorable little fuzzy stocking. It's got balls. First thing that's sticking out of the top, tulip plushie, which is perfect because I love tulips and they're like one of my favorite flowers, along with like hydrangeas, daisies, and hibiscus flowers. She shoved like so much in here. I'm like, I just like kept digging. This thing is two little lotions. This one is lavender scented and this one is jasmine scented. Why is everything sealed? I just want to smell them. I actually prefer it be sealed so that I know that no one else has used it. Ugh. Ate some of the lotion. Tasted good. Next thing is this little candle. Dragon fruit scented. Pink candle. Matches my room very well. Bro, again, adult proof. Yum. Next is some jewelry. I got this little bracelet. Came in these little baggies. Pearl on it. Like that. This little hibiscus flower necklace. I don't really feel like getting up to show you guys, but there's a hibiscus flower. Oh, why can't I open this? This little seashell bracelet. Okay, wait, that's so cute. This one, pearly bracelet. I mean, necklace. There's this little bunny. Oh, bunny down. This reminds me of the bunny from Secret Life of Pets. And she gave me this because she said, I give bunny. I don't know how to take that as, but thanks. Scented lip oil. It looks sparkly too. I actually need some more right now, so I'll put some on. Try it out. Oh, my lip liner does not look good right now. Very cute. Well, I'm actually gonna eat one right now because I really want one. Lindt Lindor chocolates, which I love these. So that's all for now. Back with the second part of my Christmas haul. It's Christmas Eve when I'm recording this. First we have from Rhode. Asked for the Salty Tan shade of the Peptide lip. I hate filming like this. Peptide lip tint. If you have lips that are kind of my shade, that's what it looks like. Matches my lips like perfectly. So giving like little stickers that you can put on lip glosses. Sample of the glazing milk. Everyone thought that this was very random, but I really wanted this. This little guy is a Warmie, which I don't know if you guys have seen this brand, but it's that brand that you can like microwave and they're scented and like weighted. So he's a weighted axolotl and he's lavender scented. What should I name him? Guys, comment down below what I should name my axolotl, him or her. I don't know, but so adorable. Here, some stuff that I got was the Sundays in Rio Sol de Janeiro. Warm vanilla, pink pepper, and amber musk. It smells so good. Next, I got the Victoria's Secret Pink Heritage ID wallet. I love how it's not focusing on the wallet at all. There you go. It has the pink heritage stripes, the VS on the front, and then it has a little ID pocket, a little zipper, and then holder stuff in the middle. I just think this is very me. This is very my vibe. Next, my parents got me an Ulta gift card, but I think she said it was like an e-gift card or something. Yeah. So from my sister, she got us these little matching locket. It says like sister on the back, and then on the front it has like little butterflies. A photo of us when we were babies. The other photo is one of us from this year. So from my parents is a little Coach watch. There we go. You're not gonna be able to see it in this lighting, but some new AirPods. I haven't had like any of the newer AirPods. I think the AirPods I had before this were the 2s. So these are the 4s, and these are the noise canceling ones. I didn't want the Pros because I didn't want those little like squishy things on the inside. Little AirPods. Very excited about that. And I tested them out earlier, and immediately I was like, these sound so much better than my old AirPods. So next thing is something that I've been asking for years and haven't gotten it until now. I'm very excited about it because it's my favorite thing ever. I got the Valentino Born in Roma Intense perfume. It smells so good. I feel like the scent lasts so long. Anytime I go to like Sephora, Ulta, or anywhere that sells this, spray myself in it because it smells so freaking good. It's like pink and black, and it's so cute. It's so cute, and it smells so good, and I'm so excited. Oh, planner. It's 2026 planner because I love my planners. These stickers on the front are actually so cute. I don't know if you guys can tell. There's like little like stars and hearts. And I like that this is like kind of small because I feel like a lot of the other planners I've had are like very thick. I got this adorable little hoodie. I'm sure they're a small business called Persona Bay. I remember I found out about them because Brookie Yancey was talking about them during her like small business Sunday videos. This adorable little gray hoodie with the bow on it. And then the hood has this little like floral bow detail on it. It says Persona Bay, their logo. Very neat, and it's pink and gray. Is this little pair of navy blue sweatpants, which the collection of colors that I've wanted for my sweatpants is like now complete because I've been wanting to wear more color sweatpants. Mind you, okay? Mind you. In high school, you never caught me wearing sweatpants. Maybe like once a year. Okay, I was always wearing jeans or like leggings occasionally until college. I was like, yeah, we're not doing that anymore. I started wearing sweatpants all the time, and I realized I only have like gray ones and like a white and a black pair. Get more colors. So I got a purple pair, I got a light pink pair, I have a burgundy pair, now I have a navy blue pair, which was the last color that I wanted. So they are wide leg, very cute. My only problem with them is that they're too long. This is a problem with every pair of pants that I own because I'm like 5'4". Set of this little like off-white cream colored fuzzy scarf. I don't know if you can like see how fuzzy this is. It's a matching little beanie for cold days. Box from Away, shampoo and conditioner. The Fine Hair shampoo and conditioner, because as we can see, that is all of my hair. So there's this Vacation Discovery set, which comes with these 3 little hair and body mists. It's the Ibiza scent, the Santorini scent, the St. Bart's scent. Good morning, squad. Merry Christmas. It is Christmas morning. Earmuffs, because I don't own any. I forgot to mention the obvious, which is on my head. This Yankee hat that I asked for. Striped vintage one. It has the navy blue. Yes, I'm from Massachusetts, and what about it? It's this little kit with a skincare headband, the skincare wristlets, beauty blender, claw clip, this little mini Summer Fridays kit. I've been using this one all morning. Trash that you can hang and put on my car. This little body oil from Sand and Fog. The scent is Moroccan Amber. You guys have ever smelled the brand Moroccan oil, like the hair and like body care brand? That's literally what this smells like, and it smells, I love how I just gave this to you, like you guys can smell it. Here you go, take a whiff.
Idiot.
I have a little 4-pack of scrunchies, which is good because I always need more scrunchies. Grandparents gave a little card, some cash. So I got this little candy cane with Reese's, some gum, some Hershey Kisses, and then some Warheads next to some little gold earrings. Which is nice because I needed some more because I just got these, but I feel like I need like more options, you know, from Every Jewels. Gold hoops. These are earrings from Every Ring. So cute. Tester kit of all of the Glossier scents. So that's the Glossier You, Glossier You Do, Glossier You Rêve. I don't know what that word is. It's French probably. Glossier You Fleur. I'm not gonna try to pretend like I know French. Oui, oui, baguette. Je m'appelle Olivia. Tu es un chat. This is from like the week of French Duolingo that I did. Next is this little phone holder for my car because I currently don't have one. A nice little Starbucks gift card. Can't wait to use that. Sephora gift card. Little Ghirardelli. This is dark chocolate sea salt caramel. That sounds so good. Oh, like soft t-shirt. Has, I think it's like meant to be a pajama shirt, but it's cute. This little light blue shirt that has some bows on it. Patriots hoodie. I have this Ugg blanket. It's like one of the ones that's like this material and then you flip it and it's soft and fuzzy. I got this little tin with some gift cards. 2 Ulta gift cards. Starbucks gift card. And I got this little kit from The Ordinary winter skin set. And it comes in this little bag. Like Go Lipid Cream Cleanser. This one. Hyaluronic acid serum. Saccharomyces, whatever this milky toner is. I have no idea what that is. Mini moisturizer from The Ordinary. And then I also got separately the exfoliating lip serum, which is what I wanted the most. I heard good things about this. And I think that marks the end of my haul. So if you guys watched all the way through, thank you guys. You're so awesome. You should subscribe because I'm just so awesome, so funny, and so amazing, and all this stuff. Follow me on my other social medias. I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas, and I will see you next time. Peace. Adios. Bye-bye.